So here's a very good game in my Luchs that I discovered last week. Well, I discovered the Luchs last week, not the game. This is a tier 8 match, so all we can do is scout. We're gonna be spotting around F5. My crew skills on camo, I only have like 70% camo skill on 4 of the crew members at the moment, so I'm afraid to go sit in a bush. Since I don't have sixth sense, I don't know when I'm spotted. So I'm gonna do some type of active spotting while peeking out with my turret occasionally, and hopefully they won't hit me. Oh, there is the ELC. That's the biggest problem at the moment. The artillery is trying to hit us. Yeah, as long as they can't hit us from around C5 or C6, then we should be pretty safe around here.
Enemy armor is hit. Enemy armor is damaged.
Yep, we have a problem at K3 now. Somebody's spotting our enemies. Sorry, our own team. But not much we can do about it from here. We just hope our base team is not getting killed by them. Oh, he's aiming at me. Yeah, he's bored with aiming at me, he can't really hit me.
That one didn't go through. We didn't penetrate their armor.
Yeah, that was a very smart idea, trying to shoot him. My teammate has very good camo skills. I think he has around 600 games on the Luchs. I think I have around 100 games by now. Let's see if I can annoy this guy.
Penetrate their armor.
I have to be careful now because the enemy is getting to the point where they can hit me from behind. And the Panther is at 1%. I might get a lucky penetration. No, I don't. And he's aiming at me. Oh, still aiming at me. I'm switching to gold ammo. See if I can take him out. And bye bye.
Destroyed. Critical hit. We didn't even scratch them.
Yeah, I had to switch to gold. This gun doesn't have very good penetration over distances. From short range it's pretty good.
Track fix.
Yeah, my teammate is saying it might be a good time to rush, so there we go. Two tank destroyers and not sure where the low is, but the Waffenträger is around F2. So we're going after him. Yeah, good job by my teammate. Let's hunt for artillery. There he is.
We're done for. Everyone get out.
And I die. Well, survived pretty long, I think, for the tier 8 match. Let's see what my teammate does. Surprisingly, the low is also aiming at my teammate. So we're both dead. But I think we ended in the top 2 or top 3 of this match. Top 2 experience. So good match.